By the end of this video, you are going to understand 5-step professional self-introduction structure. Number 2, advanced vocabulary and sentence starters. Number 3, multiple example intros for different careers. Number 4, tailoring how to introduce yourself in interviews, conferences, and meetings. And number 5, what not to say in professional settings. Let's jump right in. So, I'm going to tell you how to introduce yourself smartly, impressively, fluently, so that you sound confident, polished, and unforgettable. Let's look into it. Step number 1 is greetings, your name, and your current role. Hi, I am working as a financial analyst at Greenstone Capital. Keep it natural and confident and use present continuous tense. You can use some other variations like, hello, I am a digital marketing specialist based in London. Good morning, I am a freelance US designer with a background in psychology. Step number 2 is summarize your background or field of work. Like for example, I am in financial sector for over 6 years, helping companies in improving their budgeting strategies and reducing their operational costs. So what you have to mention here, your years of experience and your main responsibilities. Okay? You can say it in other ways, like I specialize in, my background is in, for the past few years, I have been working on. Step number 3 is mention your achievements or strength. Recently, I helped streamline our financial reporting system, cutting the turnaround time by 25%. This shows your credibility and also the numbers. If you can use any numbers like 25%, 2%, 10%, use that number. That gives a good impression. You can use some other examples, like for example, I led a rebranding campaign that increased customer engagement by 45%. I created onboarding system that helped reduce employee turnover. I designed a data visualization tool used across 5 departments. So you can improvise it according to your career. Step number 4 is share your passion or purpose. What I enjoy most doing is using data to tell compelling business stories and drive smarter decisions. This thing humanizes your introduction and shows your enthusiasm for something. You can use some other ideas, like, for example, I am passionate about building products that improve everyday life. I love creating content that educates and inspires others. What drives me is solving real world problems through tech. Step number 5 is add goal or what you are looking for. I am currently looking for like minded professionals in tech to connect with and to expand my leadership skills. It is great for interviews and networking, and it signals ambition, direction, and passion. You can use some other options, like, for example, I'm open to exciting challenges in project management. I'm hoping to grow into a client facing strategy role. I am here to learn from others and share ideas. Let's now look at the full example I have prepared for you. I am a project manager at software. I have been managing cross functional teams for over 8 years, delivering enterprise level solutions in fintech healthcare. One of my biggest wins was leading a product launch that exceeded its target revenue by 30% in just 6 months. I'm passionate about building strong teams and driving collaboration. Right now, I'm looking to take on more strategic roles that blend project execution with innovation. Example number 2 is about healthcare. Let's look into it. Hello, I am Dr. a consultant psychiatrist with over 10 years of experience in adult mental health. I currently work with the NHS leading a community outreach program that provides early intervention for anxiety and mood disorders. I am deeply committed to mental health advocacy and improving access to care. I am now exploring opportunities to speak at conferences and collaborate on international research projects. Now comes to mistakes you have to avoid. Rumbling without any structure. Just mentioning your role without any explanation. Using filler words like sort of, sounding robotic or too rehearsed. You have to avoid this. And ignoring your listener context. It must be relevant to what you are saying. Otherwise, it doesn't work. Now look at some of the advanced phrases you can use in your intros. You can take a screenshot or you can write it down. Let's look into it. I bring a unique combination of I have had the privilege of working with. I am particularly skilled at simplifying complex problems. I thrive in environments that require creative thinking and agility. I have consistently delivered results through clear communication and collaboration. Now it's your turn to tell about yourself using these 5-step introduction. Tell me in the comments. You have to write it down and you have to share it in the comments. Practice makes progress. So keep growing and glowing. And tell me in the comments which point you like the most. See you in the next video.